नमस्ते, मैं अर्जुन महेश्वरी हूँ और मैं उत्तर प्रदेश इंडिया से हूँ. I come from India. I have done my bachelor's degree in India from BKBIT Pilani, and I came to France for the master's degree at Polytech Nantes. My first experience was an internship in France for 3 months in Mulhouse, and then I got fond of your working culture. I opted for N+I program because it wasn't simply okay, you come here, you do your studies, you go back. It started with cultural integration and everything, so with N+I. Frankly speaking, everybody looks on internet what's the rank of the college, so Polytech Nantes was nicely placed, not a problem in that field. And for me, it was moreover my intern in charge in Mulhouse from NCSA Mulhouse, who said, okay, Polytech Nantes is the place where you will find your choices, and the subject suited me, so why not? For me, it was mostly the cultural difference. I knew that we don't do the same things in the same way. So I thought it would be a bit of surprise, and not speaking French, being a vegetarian, it would be a difficulty. But no, it went well, quite well. Subjects are almost the same. It's the way of taking a subject. When I was in India, we used to study how an equation is derived. When I came here, I studied how to use that equation. So it's the application part which was much more practical than it would be in India. For me, there are many things which are good in different colleges, in different countries. But for me, it was like when I came here, I didn't speak French. I didn't have a complete similar background than other French students. So one thing I liked was whenever I used to ask a professor something, well, I asked X subject, what does it mean, what I didn't understand, for example. He won't just give me the explanation for what I asked. He'll go behind the subject, he'll say, do you know this, do you know this, do you know this? No, no, no. So he'll start from the zero to come to the topic which I asked for. Well, that's not with every professor, so I like this thing. Well, cheese, wine, fun. You people know how to work and relax at the same time. So no. About France, you have a rich eating culture and a way of working. It's quite good. Seriously, everybody, before coming here, everybody goes for looking what course they are doing. Just one thing to keep in mind. If you want to learn something here, you have to learn the language of the land. So French is the key. Learning French language will be the key to understand the education, find a job, not necessarily in France, but doing some link between France and your own country. So French, I think, I'd suggest go working a lot on French language. It will help. Dans un point de vue, oui, français c'est pas très difficile à apprendre parce que niveau grammaire c'était pareil qu'en hindi. J'aime bien cette langue et en même temps ça donne une vue sur la culture, donc c'est bien. Since I did my master's degree in control systems engineering, I'm working as a project engineer with Quafli Exima. And it's in this month that I got my permanent job position. So, well, the plan in the future is to I have to understand the working domains of the company where I'm working for, and what I wanted to do was find something which enables me to remain between two countries, France and India, so that I put some efforts in learning French, and I like this culture. So I want to be in touch with France, and since I'm Indian, I would really like to get back to India also.